What did we do today? Kane, go.
Comparing.
Louder, Kane.
Comparing and ordering rationals.
We compared and we ordered rationals. And what was the I can statement that we hopefully Bridget can now do?
I can compare and order rational numbers.
Is that true, Bridget?
Yep.
Good. Least common denominator, think least common multiple, the number, the smallest multiple that two or more numbers go into when dealing with fractions. And then really, this is going to be a quick video, I think. Comparing and ordering rationals down here below. Remember, a rational number is any number that ends or repeats. So it terminates or repeats. So any fraction is going to be a rational. When we have 2/3 and 4/5, you must find a common denominator. Really, really key. If I'm giving you a fraction problem, you're answering using what, you guys? Okay, I say that again. When I give you a fraction problem, you're answering using
Fractions.
If I give you a decimal problem, you're answering using decimals. The only time you convert between fractions, decimals, and so on is if I ask you to, or if that was the directions. Number 3, do we ever, true or false? We always work in improper fractions. True or false?
Yes.
True or false?
True.
True. So 5 1/3, 5 1/9 are mixed. We don't work with mixed numbers when solving. We work with improper. Number 4, if you have a decimal and a fraction problem like so, you pick. You either pick a decimal for both of them or a fraction for both of them. You can see on number 4 that we had one group who chose to work in fractions, and we have another group that chose to work in decimals. And then number 5, we talked, this is I think probably one of the more challenging ones, we talked a lot about when you have fractions, it is our decimals, these are decimals, super important that you even out the place values so that you can A, compare them, B, order them, C, find what is in the middle of them. This part probably was the most challenging part of the entire set of notes. A number between 940 thousandths and 941 thousandths. We simply added an extra 0 to each of them. You can find that we're looking between 0 and 10. Any questions?